Not all cars are built to last, and some brands in 2025 are proving that faster than ever. From constant breakdowns to sky-high maintenance bills, these are the car brands you should avoid if you don't want regrets down the road. Let's get into it. In this video, we're exposing 10 car brands that have fallen behind in 2025, based on owner reviews, reliability ratings, recalls, and overall long-term value. If you're shopping for a new or used car, this could save you thousands. Number 10. Fiat. Fiat's small cars may look fun and quirky, but under the hood, it's chaos. Fiat cars are often avoided due to their reliability issues, particularly concerning electrical systems, engines, and transmissions. Many owners report problems like clutch issues, brake performance problems, and electrical faults, along with fuel and engine-related problems. Additionally, some Fiat models have faced allegations of emissions cheating. Here's a more detailed look. Electrical problems. Fiat models, especially the Fiat 500, have been known for issues with the electrical system, including battery and alternator failures and faulty power steering. Engine and powertrain faults. Problems like fuel leaks, fuel injector seal failures, and clutch issues are common. Transmission problems. Fiat 500 owners have reported transmission problems, including issues with the clutch and gearbox. Brake issues. Brake performance can be a concern, with reports of squeaking, grinding, and excessive wear of pads and discs. Why to avoid? Poor build quality, constant electrical gremlins. One of the lowest resale values in the segment. 2025 updates. Minimal changes to the lineup. Still ranked among the lowest in reliability by Consumer Reports. Parts availability still a major issue in many regions. Number 9. Land Rover. Luxury, yes. Reliable, absolutely not. Land Rovers, particularly models like the Range Rover, have a reputation for being unreliable and expensive to maintain, which is why some people choose to avoid them. Beyond the reliability concerns, there are also criticisms about their over-reliance on technology and potentially high repair costs. Here's a more detailed look at the reasons why some people might steer clear of Land Rover vehicles. High number of reported problems. Owner surveys and reliability studies like those from What Car often show a significant number of Land Rover owners experiencing issues with their vehicles, particularly with the Range Rover. Specific issue areas. Common problems reported include those with the air suspension, engine, electrics, and even the bodywork, with leaks being a frequent issue. High initial cost. Land Rovers, especially the Range Rover, are known for being expensive to purchase initially. Poor resale value. They also tend to depreciate quickly, meaning you could lose a significant amount of money if you decide to sell the vehicle. Maintenance and repair costs. Design complexity. The advanced technology and intricate design of Land Rovers can make repairs more challenging and costly. Why to avoid? Frequent electronic issues. High cost of ownership. Below average reliability despite premium price. 2025 models. New Range Rover Sport. EV still plagued with early software bugs. J.D. Power ranks it among the most problematic premium brands. Number 8. Jeep. Jeep fans, don't come for me, but quality control is still a major issue. Jeeps, while popular for their off-road capabilities, have some drawbacks that might make them less ideal for daily driving or long-term reliability. Key concerns include poor fuel economy, higher insurance costs, and potential for electrical or transmission issues. Here's a more detailed look at the reasons why you might want to avoid Jeeps. Fuel economy. Jeeps, particularly the Wrangler, are known for their low fuel efficiency, often under 20 miles per gallon combined. This is due to their rugged construction, boxy shape, and the fact that they are heavy vehicles. For daily commuting or long road trips, this can lead to frequent stops at the gas station and increased costs. Higher insurance costs. Jeeps, especially the Wrangler, can have higher insurance premiums due to their sporty design and potential for rollover. Insurers often classify the Wrangler as a high-risk vehicle, similar to sports cars or muscle cars. Not ideal for long road trips. Jeeps are generally not designed for long road trips, due to their poor fuel economy and potential for comfort issues. Their rugged design and suspension can make them less comfortable for long-distance travel. Why to avoid? Transmission problems in Renegade and Compass. Poor crash ratings on some models. Known recalls related to electrical systems. 2025 outlook. Despite the new hybrid push, reliability ratings haven't improved. Trailhawk trims still have AWOL drive inconsistencies. Number 7. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi used to be a respected brand. Now it's mostly forgotten. Mitsubishi cars have a mixed reputation. While some find them affordable and reliable, others point to potential issues with resale value, transmission problems, and engine reliability, especially in older models. Additionally, some owners have reported issues with electrical systems and recalls for faulty airbags. Here's a more detailed look at potential drawbacks. Transmission issues. Some older Mitsubishi models have been known to experience premature transmission failure, including shifting problems, engine problems. Certain Mitsubishi vehicles have had issues with stalling, overheating, and oil leaks. Electrical issues. Like any car brand, Mitsubishi has had recalls related to electrical components, such as faulty wiring and malfunctioning sensors. Mitsubishi vehicles tend to depreciate faster than many competitors. This means the car's value may decrease significantly within a few years of purchase. Mitsubishi vehicles tend to depreciate faster than many competitors. This means the car's value may decrease significantly within a few years of purchase. Some argue that Mitsubishi cars haven't consistently ranked as highly in terms of quality and reliability as brands like Honda or Toyota. Why to avoid? Outdated platforms and designs, low resale value, sparse dealership network. 2025 situation. Mirage remains unchanged and outdated, still among the lowest rated for driving experience. Number 6, Mini. Stylish, sure, but a Mini can mean major headaches. Mini cars, while offering advantages like fuel efficiency and maneuverability, have significant safety drawbacks and potential maintenance issues compared to larger vehicles. Their smaller size and lighter weight mean less protection in a collision, leading to higher death rates, while their maintenance can be more costly and complex than other car types. Reasons to avoid Mini cars. Safety concerns. Mini cars are inherently less safe in crashes than larger vehicles. Their smaller size and lighter weight offer less protection in a collision, and they are more likely to be crushed, potentially leading to more severe injuries or fatalities. Data from the IIHS shows that Mini cars have a higher death rate than larger vehicles, with 15 out of the 20 car models with the highest fatality rates in 2017 being small cars. The IIHS also notes that small cars are not designed to absorb impact as well as larger cars, increasing the risk of occupant injury. Maintenance and repair costs. Mini Coopers in particular are known to have higher maintenance and repair costs compared to other cars. They are BMW designs, and their engines and other components can be more complex and require specialized repairs. Some sources say that Mini Coopers require premium gas and synthetic oil, adding to maintenance costs. Space limitations. While front seat space in a Mini can be decent, rear seat space, particularly headroom and legroom, is very limited. They are not ideal for families or those who need to transport large items. Why to avoid? Expensive repairs due to BMW parts, cramped interiors, and poor ergonomics. Reliability scores continue to drop. 2025 Insight. New EV version looks good but already receiving early complaints. Still expensive for what you get. Number 5. Chrysler. The brand only has a few models left, and that tells you something. Chrysler cars have a reputation for unreliability, poor quality, and costly repairs, although they have also earned accolades for their design and performance. Specifically, they may suffer from transmission problems, engine issues like excessive oil consumption, and body paint problems. Additionally, some owners report electrical issues, and the cost of repairs can be higher than average, potentially leading to significant financial strain. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the reasons. Reliability concerns, transmission issues. Chrysler vehicles, particularly the 9-speed automatic transmission in some 200 models, have been reported to experience problems. Engine issues, excessive oil consumption, and other engine problems have been reported with certain models. Electrical problems. Some owners have encountered electrical issues related to connectors, potentially leading to unexpected malfunctions. Poor quality and materials. Cheap components. Some Chrysler vehicles have been criticized for using lower quality materials in their construction. Body paint issues. Peeling, chipping, and fading paint have been reported on some Chrysler models. Interior quality. Some owners have found the interiors to be of lower quality than expected. Fuel efficiency. Some Chrysler models, like the Pacifica, have been criticized for their relatively poor fuel economy. Safety and design. While Chrysler has earned high safety ratings and design accolades for some of its models, the overall brand image can be negatively impacted by reliability issues. In conclusion, while Chrysler vehicles may have a history of innovation and design, the brand's reputation for reliability and the potential for costly repairs should be carefully considered by potential buyers. Why to avoid? Limited lineup, mostly the Pacifica. Poor reliability history. Struggles to keep up with competitors in tech and innovation. 2025 forecast. Rumored to be transitioning fully electric, but no clear roadmap. Pacifica still suffers from electrical system bugs. Number 4, Alfa Romeo. Gorgeous design, but reliability is where dreams die. Alfa Romeo cars are often avoided due to concerns about their reliability, maintenance costs, and resale value. While known for their sporty driving experience and unique design, Alfa Romeos have a reputation for being more prone to mechanical and electrical issues, leading to higher repair bills. Additionally, finding parts and service can be challenging compared to more mainstream brands. Specific reasons to be wary of Alfa Romeo. Reliability issues. Alfa Romeo cars have a history of reliability problems, including electrical glitches and potential engine failures, which can result in significant repair costs. Maintenance costs. Repairs and maintenance on Alfa Romeo vehicles can be expensive, especially when dealing with specialized parts or unique systems. Resale value. Alfa Romeo cars tend to depreciate faster than their competitors, making them a less desirable option for those looking to retain value over time. Why to avoid? Poor track record with electronics and drivetrains. Limited service centers. Declining resale value. 2025 update. Tonale PHEV had a shaky launch, still high maintenance despite being a newer player in the US. Number 3, Tesla. Controversial. Tesla is leading EV innovation, but that doesn't mean it's immune to problems. While Teslas offer compelling technology and performance, several factors might lead some to consider avoiding them. High repair costs, expensive insurance, fully D-proof, build quality issues, and potential range limitations. Additionally, some owners have voiced concerns about the user experience, such as the reliance on a single-screen interface and the lack of CarPlay Android Auto. Here's a more detailed look at the potential downsides. Expensive parts. Tesla's unique parts can be expensive to replace, leading to higher repair costs when needed. Insurance premiums. The complexity of repairs and the potential for lengthy rental periods during repairs can result in significantly higher insurance premiums. Limited charging infrastructure. While Tesla's supercharger network is extensive, reliance on home charging can be less convenient for some. No CarPlay Android Auto. Some find the lack of these popular integrations to be a drawback. Central screen reliance. The reliance on a single screen interface for various functions can be cumbersome for some users. Potential for software glitches. Some owners have reported occasional software issues or glitches. Why to avoid? For some buyers, inconsistent build quality, delays in service or part replacements, autopilot still under legal and ethical scrutiny. 2025 reality. Model 3 refresh still has panel gap issues. App-based everything not ideal for all demographics. Number 2, Buick. While some Buick models offer good value and reliability, particularly in the SUV segment, certain drawbacks and potential issues may make you consider avoiding certain models. These include concerns about value retention, inconsistent quality control, and the performance of some engines, like the 1.2T in the Envista, which can be considered underwhelming. Reasons to consider avoiding: low value retention. Buick vehicles, especially in the past, have been known for their relatively poor value retention compared to other brands. This means you may lose a significant amount of money on your vehicle over time. Inconsistent quality and reliability. Some Buick models have faced issues with quality control and reliability, including problems with electrical components, brakes, and even engines. Performance issues. Some Buick models, particularly those with smaller engines, have been criticized for their lack of power and underwhelming performance, especially when merging onto highways or when equipped with CVTs. Design choices. Certain Buick models have been criticized for their styling or design choices, which some buyers find uninspired or underwhelming. Specific model issues. Certain models have been identified as having more frequent or specific problems than others. For example, the Buick LeSabre has been known to have faulty fuel pressure sensors. Why to avoid aging product lineup? Lack of innovation compared to Korean or Japanese rivals. Limited trims and customization. 2025 prediction. New Electra EV line coming but late to the party. Dealer closures limiting access. Number 1. Acura. This one might surprise you, but Acura's losing its value edge. Acura's lack of strong brand identity and performance, coupled with a perceived lack of value compared to their Honda counterparts, can make them a less appealing choice for some. While some Acura models offer good reliability and safety, concerns about design, marketing, and performance have led to a decline in popularity. Reasons to avoid. Acura cars, lack of aspirational appeal. Acura's designs are often described as boring, and the brand lacks the strong aspirational appeal of other luxury marques. Performance disappointments. Track performance and handling haven't always lived up to expectations, particularly compared to other performance-oriented vehicles. Limited marketing. Acura has been criticized for limited marketing efforts and a failure to distinguish itself from Honda. Overpriced for value. Many feel Acura vehicles are overpriced, especially when compared to the similar Honda models that offer comparable reliability and features. Reliability concerns. While Acuras have a history of good reliability, some models have experienced issues with transmissions, electrical components, and engine oil consumption. Lack of innovation. Acura has been criticized for not keeping pace with technological advancements and design trends in the luxury segment. Why to avoid in 2025? Pricing nearly identical to Lexus without the same prestige. Tech interface feels clunky compared to competitors. Reliability issues starting to creep into TLX and MDX models. Owner reviews. Frustrations with infotainment. Resale values starting to drop compared to Lexus, Genesis. Buying a car in 2025 isn't just about looks or power. It's about value, longevity, and peace of mind. And while these brands have their strengths, the risk might outweigh the reward. If you've owned one of these brands, good or bad, drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and share this with someone shopping for a car right now. More real car talk coming every week, only on Zero to Dream.